Literally. We're talking about heart health and the incredible impact that garlic can have on blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Did you know garlic has been used for centuries as a flavorful ingredient and a natural remedy? Its benefits for heart health are backed by science, making it a powerhouse in your pantry. Managing blood pressure and cholesterol is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. High blood pressure can lead to severe conditions like heart disease and stroke, while elevated cholesterol levels can clog arteries and increase the risk of heart attacks. That's where garlic comes in. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, making it a simple yet practical addition to your diet. But how exactly does garlic work its magic? And what are the best ways to incorporate it into your meals? In this video, we'll explore the science behind garlic's heart health benefits and share practical tips on using it effectively. Whether you're a garlic lover or just curious about its health benefits, we promise you'll walk away with valuable insights to help you take charge of your heart health. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets of this humble bulb and its powerful impact on your cardiovascular well-being. I appreciate your support. The science behind garlic, unlocking heart health benefits. Let's delve into the fascinating science behind garlic and its remarkable benefits for heart health. One of the key players in garlic is a compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases allicin, which has been shown to have potent effects on reducing blood pressure. Research indicates that allicin can help relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and lower hypertension. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed garlic supplements experienced a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. But that's not all. Garlic is also packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in lowering cholesterol levels. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries. An American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study highlighted that regular garlic consumption was associated with lower total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels. This is vital for maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, garlic contains other beneficial compounds like sulfur and selenium, enhancing its heart protective properties. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you're not just adding but also giving your heart a natural boost. So whether you're sautéing it in a dish or taking it as a supplement, garlic can be a simple yet effective way to support cardiovascular health. Stay tuned as we explore practical ways to include this superfood in your daily routine. Garlic and blood pressure. A natural approach to heart health. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a powerful ally in managing blood pressure levels. So how does garlic work its magic on our blood vessels? The key lies in its active compounds, particularly allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, allicin is released, promoting the relaxation of blood vessels. This relaxation helps improve blood flow and reduces the pressure exerted on the arterial walls, making it easier for your heart to pump blood. Research supports garlic's effectiveness in lowering blood pressure. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Clinical Hypertension found that garlic supplementation can lead to an average reduction of about 8-10 mmHg in systolic blood pressure and 5-7 mmHg in diastolic blood pressure. These numbers may seem small, but they can significantly impact cardiovascular health. Incorporating garlic into your daily meals is easier than you might think. Here are a few simple tips. Start your day by adding minced garlic to your morning omelet or avocado toast. You can toss roasted garlic into salads or blend it into dressings for a flavorful kick. If you enjoy cooking, try sautéing garlic with vegetables or adding it to soups and stews. For those who prefer a more concentrated form, garlic supplements are available, but it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. By making garlic a staple in your diet, you can take proactive steps toward managing your blood pressure and supporting your heart health.